Hi, my name is Charles. I'm doing this unboxing video today for PantryOn. And for those of you who are not familiar with this product, PantryOn is the only intelligent kitchen and pantry appliance available on the market. It monitors your grocery shopping and other items that you normally buy at the grocery store, and it generates shopping lists for you automatically. The first thing you'll notice is the robustness of this box. It's thick, it's heavy duty, it's not your ordinary variety cheap box. It's riveted together for extra strength. That's nice. Looking inside the box, you can see this hard cardboard ridge covering the PantryOn intelligence shelf to prevent damage from above, I guess. This is a reusable shopping bag with the PantryOn logo on it. Very cool. This is the PantryOn Intelligence Shelf, which has 12 advanced weight measuring sensors on it, which means you can monitor up to 12 items at a time. This lining on top is removable for the purpose of cleaning. This is the AC power adapter. Hey guys, before I move on to the shelf, I gotta tell you, I see nothing here that can be harmful to the environment. There's no styrofoam, nothing like that. Only recycled cardboard. And I'm all for that. The shelf looks and feels real stout. It has a removable lid on top, as I said earlier. It has an electrical plug sticking out. This is where the AC power adapter plugs in. It has a water-resistant plug to prevent issues caused by spillage. The shelf is sized in order to fit most existing cabinets. It is 12 inches deep and approximately 28 inches wide. I hope you enjoyed this video today. More like it will be made available over the next few weeks and months. So click on the subscribe button below so you can stay in the loop. Bye for now.